Welcome back to the show. You are watching Pree Dis. Remember to follow us on Instagram at Pree Dis Show. Now, it's all about talent on the rise, and this week we have somebody by the name of Jordash. Wonderful voice, wonderful talent. One of the body sing J them right now. Pree Dis, Jordash.
Stay focused and go feel what you want. Don't make nobody tell you say you can't. Only pass and where we sing. Little bit we get, but that I'm still a give.
We got nothing more to say. Nothing more to say.
Alright, Jordash is a reggae artist slash dancehall, right? Originally from Antigua St. Mary. Yeah man, next door, some of the greats. Barry Salmon, Josie Whale, Ninja Man, you know? And I've been doing music from a very long time. You know, growing up, I just love to sing. People used to say, oh, this a youth, I sing everywhere I go. I'm up on the streets and I just sing. I didn't really care about nobody. I say, you know, I criticize or, you know, I make too much noise. So I just love the music and I do it from long time and I take it to a different level right now. You understand me, I say? People say I have a unique voice, right? So anytime I reach to among some people who have influence and them hear me, them always ready without me asking for a deal. You understand? Them say, yo, I like your voice and you know you're mad, you're bad. You understand? I want to work with you, them thing there. And everywhere I'm going to get that. Well, I've worked with Castle Production, Fagan Fraternity. That's Flex introduced me. You know, Flex to the Complex introduced me to Fagan Fraternity, even Bounty Killer and the other acts, you know. And right now I'm working with Peter Key Production. That is my production, you understand? Yeah man, the big thing. The major thing we're working on now is my EP, which consists of 8 songs, you understand? And set to release soon. You understand? So the EP is basically the thing we're working on now, because we have some good songs and people looking forward to the EP.
We got nothing more to say. Get the obstacles out your way. Money motivate.
That was a talent on the rise for the week. Big up yourself, Jordash. It's no time for the video premiere of the week, and it comes from Razor B. A song called Wine and Pedal. I go on good at Canada, you know. Razor B, check out that one here. Pree Dis.
The new dance that you go run road. Sit down, make we head feed it out. And you're not fit pay, cause the ride is free. Wine and pedal, pedal, film. We have a new dance where you go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance where you go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance where you go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance where you go run road. Wine and pedal. Calibad, 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 Calibad. Pedal, pedal and wine same time. Cali come like you no got no spine. Wine and pedal dance up to the time. Every girl, uno come shiny line. If you see a man, girl, grab up on him. Tell him no, I gon' jump on him. Do anything you want, where you want, know with him. Then you show him how you wine and pedal pan with him. And we have a new dance whenever they go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance whenever they go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance whenever they go run road. Wine and pedal. We have a new dance whenever they go run road. Wine and pedal. Calibad, 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 Calibad. Wine and pedal, then you wine and catch. Wine and go down, no go for your head top.
That was the video premiere of the week. We're going for a second commercial break. When we get back, we have a lot more. My name is Kruddy and you're watching Pree Dis.